name is Ajinla. I am Papa Orisha, the father of all Orisha. Why? Because I deals with the Orisha in their thousands and millions. And I know how each Orisha operates. I know the principles that pump them, and I know the ministry, their area of specialization. Let's take for instance, I've been hearing about ancestral calls, generational calls. People who are going to mountains from mountains to mountains. Do you know that there is an Orisha for that purpose? Even if your father was alive and you guys have a quarrel, and then you guys didn't resolve the dispute, and then he passed away, you can resolve the dispute. If you have ancestral cause, you have a quarrel with your parent before they disperse, and you have a lot of troubles, and they are saying it's family cause, generational cause. There is an Orisha in that aspect, and they call him Egun. Egun won't pay Orisha that has to do with family, lineage, ancestral cause. There are instances that people will use the children to flog the parents, and anywhere you go, they will tell you that it is your parents are the cause of your problem. If you are in that situation, the only Orisha that can help you is Egun. Go and feed Egun. Anything that has to do with all these causes from your parents, from your lineage, they will be dissolved. But many of you don't know. You are seeing Orisha as something demonic. I don't know where they get the word demonic. Well, it is an English word created by English people who colonize your mentality, and then they pack your wisdom away. I know many people are still in the doubt of saying, what did the Orisha do when the British are carrying them away? Do you know that it's part of the plan of the Orisha? If they didn't cut away those Orisha in those days, these Yoruba people everybody is talking about, it won't have gone that far. Do you know it was part of the plan? Oh my God. Many people don't know anything. My name is Ajinla. I am Papa Orisha.